In this episode of Infantryman's Guide, we're going to be covering basic hand and arm signals. Noise discipline in a tactical environment can mean the difference between mission success and mission failure. So it's very essential that you're able to communicate with your fellow team and squad members non-verbally to reduce your noise output. In this video, with my Marine infantry background, I'm going to be showing you primarily hand and arm signals that are SOP to the United States Marine Corps, as outlined in the 6-5 and 3-11 Marine Rifle Squad. Be sure to check with your respective units because hand and arm signals can differ from service to service as well as unit to unit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Decrease speed. Extend the arm horizontally sideways. Palm to the front and wave your arm downward several times, keeping the arm straight. The arm does not move above the horizontal. Change direction. Raise the hand that is on the side towards the new direction across the body. Palm to the front and then swing the arm.
Okay, for the tabletop, you need to know how to do the over-the-head arm slide. Okay, for the overhead arm slide, guys, your right arm is going to go up over the girl's head like this, and my left arm is going to come up over my head like this. Okay, once again, my right arm goes over her head, my left arm goes over mine, and then you can just let go, your arm slide, and you just grab hands. Okay, and then our free hand, okay, is going to reach and grab like this. Your thumb has to be down, okay? The girl's thumb's down, and she grabs the guy's thumbs down as well, okay? Okay, that's the overhead arm slide. So I'll just go right from this to the tabletop. The tabletop, you're going to spin the girl once, and you spin her by bringing both your arms up to the right, and she goes under both of them, okay? Now, my right arm's on top, and my left arm's on bottom, so I'm going to leave my right arm up, and I'm going to leave my left arm down, okay? So I'm going to sneak under my right arm here, and my left arm goes to my back. You see that? My left arm goes to my back. Then I'm going to duck underneath, just like the broken arm. You have to duck underneath your arm, but don't over-rotate, okay? Stay facing the girl. And at this point, guys...
Arm in a horizontal arc, extending the arm and hand to the point in a new direction. Enemy in sight. Hold the rifle horizontally with the stock in the shoulder and the muzzle pointed in the direction of the enemy.
So you're going to take your right hand and then you're going to put her wrist, I guess you're going to twist her wrist to what you did doing the hammer lock, and then you're going to take your left arm, go up and around, and then pull across your chest. So you should be facing each other again.
So this is going to be the part, guys, where you're using tension to guide where she's going. So that's something that's really important, to keep your tension between the two of you so that when he starts moving your hand, you know where to go, ladies.
Right. So your right hand is going to go down, left hand all the way around and in front of you. You're going to walk under and walk back out and then pull. And then you're back to normal.
So think of it like a line. When you're going under, you're going to be back to back, and you're going to basically just switch places and then back out.
Aim in on the enemy target and be ready to engage him if he detects your presence. An alternative hand and arm signal for enemy sighted would be to take your hand, make it in the shape of a gun, and turn it upside down, and then orient it in the direction of the enemy. Range. Extend the arm fully towards the leader or men for whom the signal is intended for with a closed fist. Open the fist, exposing one finger for each 100 meters of range. Here I'm demonstrating 100, 200, 300, 400, and finally 500 meters.
My arm kind of sneaks through this little hole right here, okay? Sneaks through this hole. Now, when you're at this point, your right arm's on the bottom, your left arm's up, okay? This is a tricky one. So, my right arm's going to stay down, my left arm's going to go over her head, my right arm goes to her back, okay, just like that. Then, to help the girl out, most girls know what they're doing, but to help the girl out, you can kind of push her arm down. She's going to duck underneath now, just like that. Don't over-rotate. Face me again, and we're back to where I can go under, all right? To get out, I can just put both my arms over my head like this, and then the girl kind of pushes off. And we're back to the basic. So, if I do that quickly, this is what it looks like. Okay, overhead arm slide, grab her, spin the girl once. Okay, then I'm gonna go under, duck under, and she's gonna go, oh, I did it wrong. Okay. Overhead arm slide, grab her, spin the girl once. Okay, then I'm gonna come and duck under. Okay, leave my right arm down this time, and she's gonna duck under, and then over my head. And that's it. There you go.